Hi Ajay,
Hello, ma'am.
this is Aruna from Quality Department. First of all, congrats for your placement, Ajay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, it is just a feedback interview from your side. We'll
Okay.
start up.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, Ajay?
Hi, I am Ajay from Bidar. I done my school and BU in hometown. Now, and I have completed my B Civil in Renown College of Engineering. Presently, I have pursued a CACM course in CMTI.
Okay, how did you get to know CMTI, Ajay?
I gone through the Google. I was searching for a job actually. Later, I came to know about a CACM course, and then I started joining this course. Yeah.
Okay, then what and all you learned in CMTI about the courses, syllabus, what and all the subjects was new to you?
Yeah, CMTI is a very wonderful institution. It helped me a lot to gain more knowledge regarding the civil and the interiors. Before joining this institute, I was not having the knowledge regarding the interiors. After coming to this institute, I gained very much knowledge regarding the civil and interiors. I'm very much thankful to all the trainers and Ashok sir. They have personally helped me a lot. Then it will be very much benefited to all, man.
Okay, then how was the trainers during the sites and the classes?
We were visiting to the sites. It was really amazing. Earlier, we didn't visit any of the sites. After joining this institute, it really helped us, and it helped us to improve the more knowledge about the factories and all the sites, any of the construction sites or the interior factories, all those things. Yeah.
Okay, then how was your site visits during the courses?
Yeah, site visits help us to gain more knowledge. What we learned theoretically during the engineering process, it this time after joining the CMTI, they have taken us to all this site visits like construction buildings, our interior factories, and all those things. We gain very much good knowledge after visiting to the sites now.
Okay. Then what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
CMTI app is very wonderful. It helped me to crack the interview. Then what all the concepts which I missed during ongoing classes, I referred the CMTI app. It helped me to gain the knowledge. It's really wonderful, amazing. Yeah.
Okay. Then what about CMTI staffs? How did the coordination of them during the placements and all?
Yeah, CMTI trainers are very good, very good. I'm blessed and I'm very much thankful to all the trainers who all have helped me, supported me. And to be honest, after coming to the CMTI, I have no stage fear of taking part in all the sessions like any seminars and all those things. I personally thank the Natajan sir, Ashok sir, and many trainers. Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI?
I refer my friends and juniors, even they will be get benefited after joining this course, construction management training course. Yeah, even they will be gaining more knowledge. Even they will be coming to know about the factories and all the construction sites. So yeah, it will be very much benefited after joining the course. Yes, I will. I'm happy. I'm happy to refer my friends and juniors. Yeah.
Yeah, Jay, that was a good feedback from your side.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
And once again, congrats for your placement and all the best for your future, Ajay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.